What's up guys, it's Abhi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you how to get this lid off this thing. A lot of time the lid can be come off very easily by just pulling it up, but this one doesn't come off when I'm trying to take it off, as you can see. And this is the issue with a lot of people, they cannot get the lid off and there is no clear instruction how to get this lid off. So today I will tell you what is the technique to get this lid off. So if you see this, there are two buttons here. If you press this down, you would see. Alright, so what you need to do is, as you can see here, there's a thing here, you need to pull this up like this and this will come off. You can take it out with this flat screwdriver or just with the help of your hand. Like this. Okay, and now this part will come off too, like this. And then we have a look inside. We can see a little screw we need to undo it with a screwdriver. It seems like it's already quite loose, so just unscrew it. And this thing has come out. And now you can be able to take this lid off from the thing. Alright. So as you can see, I have taken this lid off. So that's how you get the lid off from this. So the same way you took it out, you can put this thing back again. Alright, make sure this thing is in the middle. Put this thing first. You move it around a little bit so it could go into the hole there. Yeah, it's inside the hole. And now you tighten this with a flat screwdriver like this. Make sure it's firmly tight. Alright, and then after that you put this thing here, the big one, and then this one. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you really found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.